It's me, Cody Rain, coming at you with some literal fuel for your recovery journey. No, I literally mean literal. Welcome to the world of Thrive Nutrition. Dude, it's not just about gobbling up nutrients and hoping one of them is gonna fix us. It's about changing how you see food and your body. I guarantee that if you've been drinking alcohol for a long period of time, you haven't been focusing on your magnesium. When was the last time you even mentioned the word potassium? I have ADHD, so I need a simple regimen that's gonna help me fuel my body with everything that it needs. Because I don't want to do it. So it's as simple as this. Wake up, take your lifestyle capsules, mix up a lifestyle shake, and then slap on a DFT. Boom, you're done for the whole day. You've just given your body literally everything it needs to thrive. Before you flip out, with Thrive, dude, you're not just filling up your tank. You're not just putting energy and focus into your body. You are supercharging your energy. I've been up since 4 a.m. And that means no caffeine crashes, no sugar crashes later either. I don't tell everybody this, but I've been addicted to pre-workout, addicted to caffeine, addicted to energy drinks. And then I found Thrive. But when you've supercharged your body, you don't need any external stimulants. Not to mention, Thrive's got your back when it comes to weight management too. I'm almost 38 years old and I'm in the gym 6 days a week. Thrive helps me keep my weight down. Not to mention, it helps you become a mental ninja. Here's the truth. Thrive isn't a magic pill. It's a tool. Just like recovery, it's about making healthy choices, like exercising, eating enough, resting, getting enough sleep, hydrating your body, and most importantly, focusing on nutrition. When your body has everything it needs, you've got less stress, less depression, less anxiety. And this is exactly why Thrive is the recommended nutrition plan for the Beyond Sober program. Thrive dramatically improves your time on your recovery journey. And that journey is becoming the best version of yourself. That's what recovery is. My question to you is, are you tired of just surviving and ready to start thriving, dude? Because you deserve to feel amazing. Not because I'm saying it, but because it's the truth.